Hello everyone, I'm Alex and I'm back with another episode of the Bar Trender. Right now, glitter beer has been all over the internet and social media, and I wanted to demonstrate to you and everyone how to do it the easy way right in your house. Alright, so just need a few simple ingredients. Obviously your beer, any beer will do, the cheapest that you can find. And then you need a metallic food coloring. This one happens to be a silver, but any metallic food coloring will do. I got this one on Amazon. Nice and simple, nice and cheap. Alright, so we're gonna crack our beer open. I'm gonna pour it in. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna drop the metallic food dye into the drink, and as you drop it, you're gonna stir to incorporate. Now, you're gonna do as many drops as necessary that you need, but the key here is to stir and drop at the same time. And this is how you drink glitter beer.